What up, everybody? How you guys doing? Yeah. How you guys doing out there? Well, I'm doing good, people. My day's been good. How about yours? School went fine and all that. We got back to our kid church in Eleanor, Indiana. If you want to come, you can. Just let me know. You go, come ahead. If you're 7th grade through 12, you can come to my class. If you ain't, then if you're K through 5th, then you can go. I'll show you, and we'll have fun. Well, you guys having fun today? Church going? Oh, has anybody heard of the antique show in Eleanor, Indiana? It's going on right now. I don't know the days of the week, I haven't been, but if you guys go, you come to my house and let me know. And stuff. Okay. What up, everybody? Oh, I'll go see if my friend's home. If he is, might be done recording. Just a minute. Sunrise. I'm gonna mess. I'm gonna drink stuff like that. Huh? What up, everybody? Comment below and 10. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything you want me to do to talk about, I can. If you don't know much about church, I can try to explain it best as I can. Okay? Yep. I'll see you later. Meet me at church, guys, if you want to talk about